Posilit Arthur James T. Most friendly, most neat, most helpful, most generous, most courteous, best in arts and best in writing. Perez Rian Miguel F. Most courteous, most kind, most helpful, most resourceful, and most friendly. Lobetania Angeline M. Most courteous, most kind, most courteous, most responsible, most diligent, most resourceful, and special mention. Pange Ashanti F. Most friendly, most neat, most responsible, most helpful, most generous, most kind, most courteous, most behaved, best in Filipino, best in language, best in Christian living, and with honors. Rita Jada Luwin T. Most neat, most responsible, most helpful, best in arts, best in writing, best in Filipino, best in language, best in reading, best in math, best in Christian living, and with honors.